Okay, part one, Wonderopolis project, informational slide presentations. Today, for the learning targets, students learn to teach and tell a story with images and words. Today, you'll choose a topic from an article on Wonderopolis. You will activate prior knowledge and organize details in a graphic organizer in order to create a presentation. The success criteria for today would be students will have completed a KWL chart with complete phrases or sentences, questions and predictions. The text is understandable and easy to read. Then we're going to begin SP5, which is actually SP5.1 because there is two parts to it. The Wonderopolis Project Part 1 KWL. Instructions link. You're going to click that link to see a separate document that contains all the instructions on how to complete the KWL and slideshow. Begin the KWL part only. The document is attached to the assignment, and if you get done, you are more than welcome to continue any multimedia presentations, independent projects. Here is a snapshot of what that assignment will look like. And I'm going to go to the instructions document and open that up so you can have a look. There is a link to the site here, Wonderopolis. And I'm going to go ahead and click that so it opens up. And we'll look back here at the directions. Whoops, not twice. That was a mistake. So for part one, first off, become familiar with the site. Every day there's a wonder, and they create text, they find art and other forms of media, such as video to teach, and explore about a particular topic. I did create a lesson slideshow here, which I'm going to go ahead and pull up. And you will have part of this. You'll use this slide for notes to create your Wonderopolis slideshow. So basically what's going to happen is these two columns are what you want to know. This is before you read, what you already know about the topic and what you want to know about the topic. Do not do this part until you have read the article. Your assignment will look like this when you open it up. When you go to Schoology and open up the assignment for the KWL, here is an example of a Wonderopolis article. And the one I chose was What Are Formula One Cars? And after I read this article, I created this, and I even added a little bit of a link here so I can get back to it, which I would recommend. I know already before reading, I think Formula One cars are like Indy cars, but they are used more around the world. Also, they are fast and dangerous for anyone not experienced in racing. And finally, they have a low profile and big black wheels. What I'd like to know is, what makes a Formula One car different from stock cars and Indy cars? What things do Formula One cars have in common with other race cars? What type of fuel do they use? And how long does a pit stop last? So all the instructions for this can be found here. You're going to want to start out by going to Wonderopolis, choose a topic you find interesting, one that you want to learn more about, of course, makes it a lot easier. Bookmark it by clicking the star and explore its features. Look at what images and videos you can look at later. Check out the vocabulary words, and do you know them? Due Thursday. The first assignment would be the SP 5.1 KWL activating prior knowledge notes. And there's once again a snapshot of what that document looks like. Once you find an article and a topic, you are to complete the KWL that will help you think about what you know and what you want to know about the topic. In this first step, you want to simply choose your topic, bookmark the link, scan the article, pictures, and resources for a few minutes, and fill out 3 to 5 things for the what I know and the what I want to know on the Activating Prior Knowledge KWL lesson slideshow that is in the assignment folder. Next, after you have completed this part and this part, remember when your KWL looks like this, with your article, you're going to want to read the article. Make a goal to learn 3 to 5 new things about it. When you found these things, go back to your KWL slideshow and add those. Turn the KWL slideshow in. Once this is completed, you'll be on view only for your slideshow, but you'll still go look at it so you can add what you found to this KWL slideshow. So this, just to make it so you're not confused, when I say you will be on view only for your KWL slideshow. I know that's repetitive, but I don't want you to get confused. When you turn something in, you can't work on it. And you already know this about Schoology. And I'm going to just give you a little bit of a tip off into what happens next, this one will probably start Wednesday. The Wonderopolis project is due next week, but we will begin the slideshow after the KWL is complete. You can use it to build your slideshow. Use the completed KWL to create your slideshow. We will not have time to work on it in class after Friday because we'll be starting our final project on Monday, December 6th. One last thing that I'll show you, this is the SP 5.2, the Wonderopolis project slideshow, and I'm going to open up what your document will look like, and it matches up almost perfectly with the KWL. So you've got your Wonderopolis project, and you've got a place to write your topic question here, such as, what are Formula One cars? Slide 2 is what I know about the topic. That is the first part of the KWL. Don't forget, you've already done the work. What I wanted to know about the topic is the second part, of course, right here. So make sure that you don't do double work. Have a look back there. And then what I learned about the topic would go after you have read and come up with your 3 to 5 things. 3 new questions that I have about the topic. Try and think about something new that wasn't covered in the article, something that you haven't put on your KWL that you'd like to learn about. See me if you have any questions on that. And then I thought it would be nice to add an image. Use the slide format for a short title slide with a paragraph of text accompanying it. Thank you so much for listening. I hope you have great luck with it. There may not be another video this week because this pretty much covers all of the Wonderopolis project, but stay tuned to if there's a next agenda. I might just end up using agenda 15 for both days, depending on what our needs are. Okay, thank you very much.